Hi, welcome back. So last time we talked about compound assignment with addition and also with augmented subtraction. And we're continuing in the same likeness with compound assignment with augmented multiplication. I bet you can guess which episode is coming up next. Foreshadowing. The asterisk equal operator or the multiplication sign equals operator, whichever you're more comfortable with. This multiplies a variable by a number. My var, which is our variable name, has been given the evaluation of my var times 5. So we expect that my var equals my var times 5 will multiply my var by 5. This can be rewritten as my var asterisk equals 5. Very simple. It also saves us on a lot of unnecessary rewriting of the my var reference name. All right, so let's go. Convert the assignments for A, B, and C to use the asterisk equal operator. Test cases. A should equal to 25, B should equal to 36, C should equal to 46. You should use the star or asterisk equals operator for each variable. You should not modify the code above the specified comment. Alrighty then, let's take a look at the code. Okay, so we have a few variables declared already for us. It says let A equal 5, let B equal 12, and let C equal 4.6. All right, only change code below this line. Currently, we have the old way of doing things where by A equals A times 5, B equals 3 times B, and C equals C times 10. Remembering only the part of the equation on the right side of the equal sign is calculated first, and then that calculation is stored in the letter name or the variable name to the left of the equal sign. So A on line 1 already being initialized or substantiated with number 5. If we do A times 5, we expect that 5 times 5 will give us 25. That number will then be assigned to the variable A on line 6. But we're going to write it in a different way. All right, so let's just go ahead and delete this first A here. Let's go ahead and delete the star as well. And let's return our star, asterisk, multiplication symbol. So many names for this. And there we go. Let's just check, do a quick test. Okay, let's return and complete all of them so that everything will register. So same process on line 7, where we have B equals 3 times B. What we expect is that B on line 2, which has the current value now of 12 in that variable B, if 12 times 3, which we expect on line 7, it will give us, let's see here, who remembers their 12 times tables? Okay, so, easy way I like to do it. I always remember the 11 times tables, so here we go. 11 times 3 is 33, and then you just add 3 on that, you get 36. So 12 times 3 we expect to be 36 assigned to variable B. But again, we can write this in a more simple, easy to read syntax. You delete the star and the B from the right of the equal sign, and we redistribute that star to the left of the equal sign, and it is exactly the same result that we will expect. All right, so let's just continue in that vein. C now holding the value on line 3 of 4.6. All right, we're going to bring that value down to to line 8 where we have c times 10. So the equation will read 4.6 times 10. All right, let's go ahead and put in our correct syntax. Redistribute our asterisk. Okay, so we've just rewritten lines 6 through 8 with a different syntax, but it achieves the exact same result in the end. Let's go and test. Okay, help, warp 9, engage. We have done it. Let's go ahead and submit and go to the next challenge. Okay, so there we go. For those of you that have guessed it, we're completing our orders of operations, and we have augmented division. So it says the division or equals operator divides a variable by another number. My var equals my var divided by 5 will divide my var by 5, and this can be rewritten as my var division operator equals 5, which is exactly the same thing as my var equals my var divided by 5. Instructions: convert the assignments for A, B, and C to use division equals operator. We expect that A should equal to 4, B should equal to 27, C should equal to 3. You should use the division equals operator for each variable. You should not modify the code above the specified comment to the code. All right, so this has been the same pattern. You guys know exactly what's going on. We have 3 variables, A, B, and C. They have been initialized at the values of 48, 108, and 33 respectively. All right, we're starting on line 6. And A, which now has the value of 48, will now evaluate the division by 12. And we're going to write that as A, division operator, equals sign 12, which will be the exact same thing. It will give us the result of 12 divided by 48. All right, so let's just continue that same pattern on the subsequent lines. Take away that division operator and that variable name from the right side of the equal sign. Carry our division symbol to the left of the equal sign. Same on line 8. C, now having the value of 33. All right, 11 divided by 33. Division operator behind or to the left of the equal sign. And we expect that we should have the same results. Let's test it out. All right, you're a shooting star. Well, thank you. Appreciate that. Well, hope you guys have enjoyed this rather straightforward lesson. All right, just a much more friendly way of writing the exact same assignment. Just keep in mind that all of the calculations of values to the right of the equal sign, they run first in JavaScript, and then the operations on the left of the equal sign will then run. Okay, this makes it possible to calculate variables that have already been initiated. Okay, use that value, all right, and reassign the new value to a new variable. All right, take care for now. See you on the next one.